Hi everyone, Trina here, back with day 45 of the 100-day project. Today we're going to be working with a jelly plate, some collage, and doing some other mixed media. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is roll out some Mars Black, and we're going to print this image with the laser jet transfer method. This is a print that I had, well, it's part of a print that I made, sort of floral and abstract. So let's press this down. Ooh, that's fun. I think I'm gonna take out some of these marks here, because I don't want them to be, I don't need all that black in there. Maybe a little black, but not a lot. I don't want all of that in there. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and then we're gonna print it. I did add a little bit of the ladder stamp in there as well. So let's pour out a little bit of this gel medium here. Don't need a lot, like 1 drop. Let's roll this out. Okay. Let's start off with some really bold marks today. Hopefully you can hear me. I got a new mic today, so we're gonna test that out, see what happens. Okay, we're gonna let this dry and we'll come back. We're gonna print over this. Okay, let's see what we've got here. So we got a pretty good transfer. Nice. Let's go in with a little pencil mark here. Maybe some graphite. We might go in with the let's go in with this Lyra 6B. Make some other marks here and see what we get. You can use this wet. It does work pretty well wet. I'm gonna come in with the color shaper a bit. I know it's getting very dark, but it's not a bad thing. I kind of want to explore this idea of, now we could have printed this in a different color. Doesn't necessarily have to be black. Just remember that you need to use opaque paint. Transparent paint works, but you're gonna get weird results out of it. So just keep that in mind when you're picking out your colors. Okay, let's come in with some Payne's Gray. Do a little color shaper here. Not a lot. So I kind of like those lines and I just fucked it up. Let's go in with our palette knife. Get some good marks going. gonna have to lighten this up a little bit, I think. I might want to bring some of this down through here. And then worry about lightening it up. Maybe some unbleached titanium. Let's add some of this unbleached titanium through here. Make some marks. Get some paint down. Maybe not that much paint. I want it kind of thick, but not super thick. Okay. I want to go through here and then maybe down through here. I just want to add some lightness back into it. So it got a little dark. Let's go. This one, I think I just want more solid. If there's any paint left on there. I need a bit more paint on there. Or shape red, I think, for this part down here. Maybe a little wet. Make it a little thinner. There we go, that works. Okay, since we already have a lot of black, I'm going to use a stencil and come in with this white, and hopefully it's kind of harder to do with this than it is. Why is this white so runny? Weird. Okay, let's see what we get. It leaked a little bit. So let's go just through here. Get a good start. I'll just sort of, I didn't think that was going to work very well, but it's not horrible. We can fix it. I just kind of wanted something, I'm going to kind of like the opposite of what we normally do with the black. Just a few of these through there, because I like those marks. Okay, I'm going to come in and put some lines through here. Maybe. Tell me my marker's dead. That would be terrible. So I just thought this space was a little empty. Needs a little something going on here. I kind of like that. And if I can add just a few more in there. I think I'll start off with some of these. And then okay, I decided on these, this stencil. And I poured out some new paint because that other, it was kind of wet, like super wet. I don't know what's going on there. kind of just want this to come through here a little bit. I don't know, we're kind of winging it here. Oh, I like that. I've got some impromptu dots there. Nice. I think I want to put a few of these going this way. Okay, I'm going to come in with a little bit more the lines through here, just lightly. That was very light. It's kind of got this feeling of like a weed patch or an open prairie. I like it. Just want a few more through here. Maybe a little bit more bold. I have to clean the stencil off. I think it's getting kind of clogged. There we go. Okay, I'm going to try this and see if it works. I want some... I don't know that I can get in there. I just wanted some black, a few black dots through here. I don't know if that worked, but we're going to find out. It made a blob. I made a blob. Not a horrible blob, but it's still a blob. Okay, I'm going to go in with this watercolor pencil, this black one. I kind of want some more marks through here. This is feeling very not good. Kind of wanted to fill this in a little bit. And it's a cool mark making. It's pretty black. I just feel like I needed more marks through here. Not my little blobs. I was really just trying to break that up a little bit. But it didn't work out well. But I think it's okay. If I just came in a little bit. And lastly, let's come in with our ink tints. Make some marks through here. What if I made like a mark through here? Do it like that. Okay, so I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I like the transfer that we did. I like the layers that I built up. It's pretty neutral, but I think it has a lot of good texture going on. Like the white. It's kind of almost the opposite of what I normally do, which is light to dark. So it's fun to experiment with going the other way. These marks are really good. Overall, very happy with this sort of neutral palette and neutral landscape. Let's look at it with a matte. And here it is with a matte. Looking pretty good, I think. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see yesterday's video, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 46 of the 100-day project.